Are you looking for the best electric nailer? In this video, we will break down the top 4 electric nailers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Top Cordless Staple Gun. This tool is made for ease, designed to be very easy to work and control, and essentially maintenance-free. It features a trip lock safety mechanism, a built-in LED leveler tool and a fast-charging battery that can drive 1000 shots in a single charge. The tool also comes already packaged with 500 nails and 500 staples. Be aware that the staples featured in the photo itself are not actually the staples that the gun fits, use, or comes with. It does work with the staples that are included, but if you already recognize the staples in the photos provided because you have some at home, it's worth noting that the ones you have likely will not fit in this tool specifically. At number 2. Neumaster NTC0040 Electric Nail. This air-operated nailer is super speedy and powerful, which helps you in the construction works like laying down roofing felt, putting up house wrap, installing insulation, and many more. It also works very fast for purposes like finishing cabinet backs, door repair, and crafting picture frames. Moreover, the magazine of this nailer gun holds 100 staples, and it also has a view window for easy tracking. It also has a safety mechanism that prevents any accidental firing. This gun is extremely well designed and has a well-balanced body and rubber grip for comfort and easy handling. This tool is no doubt very durable and versatile to work in clean, dry, and in compressed and regulated air. This nailer has a male quick connector which helps the user to set it up very quickly. It is portable also, as you will get a high-impact carrying case along with it. At number 3. Stanley Tray 550Z Nail Gun. The Stanley Tray 550Z electric staple/brad electric nail gun has many great functions and features. It is let down in some important areas. One good thing about it is that it is easy to clear any jams that occur in it. The power tool also has an indicator that shows exactly when the magazine is empty. This will stop you from dry firing and let you work quicker. It is powered by mains electricity and so needs to be plugged into the mains power. It means that you are not free to move around your workspace, as you are tethered to a socket via a power cord. When it comes to setting the depth adjustment, you only have the option of either low or high. The Stanley Tray 550Z electric staple/brad electric nail gun does not have loads of power. It can struggle, even when on the higher power setting, to drive brads into harder woods, such as teak, oak, or maple. At number 4. Aero Fastener T50AC. Benefit from consistent pro-grade performance despite job site voltage fluctuations once you get the Aero Fastener T50AC professional electric staple gun. Designed to act as a stable gun and nailer, the unit works with all sizes of T50 staples and 9/16 anquat, or 5/8 anquat, brad nails. Also, the nailer adopts a spiral drive technology. This technology allows for consistent driving power with every shot, which means that you can be sure to get professional results after every use. You can get the gun when looking for the best electric nail gun that is designed for use in low-lit areas. This is because of the integrated LED work light designed to provide focused illumination on the desired work surface. Better, the gun is a perfect choice for an electric gun that is easy to use. The reason is the convenient bottom load function that features a quick release feature for easy loading. The indicator light is another addition designed to show that the staples are low,